Hey guys, this is Jerry, welcome to the channel. Today is a quick video to show you how to connect your Bluetooth to the MG4 vehicles. This video will be separated in three parts. The first part, I'll show you how to connect with your iPhone. Second part, I'll show you how to connect with your Android phones. The third part, I'll show you how to play music and use your phone to make phone calls. Drop a like to support this small channel. Alright, first thing is to go into your Bluetooth screen. So there's quite a few ways. Swipe the screen, go to the settings. Then you can find the Bluetooth icon over here. That's easy. Or alternatively, if nothing's connected, you can just click the phone or phone icon over here. Click the phone, and if nothing's connected, go to Bluetooth. That will allow us to go into the Bluetooth screen. You want to do, make sure this Bluetooth is switched on. So just by clicking the icon over here, so that means small gray icon on the top will be switched on. Second thing, you can personalize your device name. You can personalize whatever you like, MG4, MG5, even if your car is MG4. That's totally fun. Next, to connect your phone to this particular device, you have two ways. One way is to actually go into the screen and find your phone. So on your phone, just go to the settings and make sure your Bluetooth is switched on. It's discoverable. So that means we can go all the way down to other devices and click search. Then now we just need to find Jerry's iPhone, which is the second one. Click this, you can see it's pairing. There we go. On my phone, it will show the notification. On the screen, it will show the notification. Click OK on the screen, click pair on my phone. And you can allow your contacts. If you want to upload your contacts, I'll click allow this time. That means my phone is currently connected. That's the first way. Second way, because this phone's Bluetooth is switched on, I'll go to my phone and go all the way down. You can see the name over here because this is named as MG. This has MG in it. Just click MG. Then wait for a few seconds. This will pop up again. So make sure you get the matching code. Click pair, click OK. After that, the phone is connected. It also asks you, do you want to allow your contacts or favorites to be synced? If you allow it, you can see your contacts information on the top. Once that's synced, you just make sure you click this icon over here to synchronize your call history and contacts. Next, I'll show you two ways to connect your Android phones to this particular screen. There are two ways. One way is to search your phone through this screen. So right now, let's go into the settings and go into connection over here. Under the connection, make sure you switch on the Bluetooth, and also in the Bluetooth screen, make sure it's discoverable. So this is how the example on the Samsung. Under here, we have the search icon with other devices. We want to click search. Then as a refresh, we'll see the information. This particular device is named as Galaxy S10e. So click this icon. You can see it's pairing. Your pop-up notification on both devices. We want to click pair and OK on both devices as well. And then if we swipe up, you can see currently connected. And then you can allow your contacts and call history to be synced. That means your call history, contacts will be uploaded to the phone when the phone is connected, by the way. And the second way is, if your Bluetooth is switched on, let's go to the connection and let's go to Bluetooth. Make sure our Bluetooth is switched on the device. And then what you want to do, just search the MG name or whatever the name you select. Available device, MG, click. Again, notification will be there. Click pair, click OK. That means both devices will talk to each other and connect eventually. Click allow if you want to download your contacts, everything onto the screen. So once it's connected, make sure if you wish to, you can synchronize call history and contacts. That means all your contacts and information will be uploaded. If you do not select this, it means your contacts and everything will not show on the screen. You also have to authorize it on your phone, by the way. Under the screen, you can see connected currently. This is the current device. In case you want to disconnect, just single tap and click OK, or disconnect the current device. Under this, we also find the pairing history. On the pairing history, if you want to delete or connect any other devices, as long as they're in location, single click, they will connect to this device and kick the first device out. Otherwise, if you want to delete this device, let's say you want to delete the first one, the Oppo phone, click delete, OK, now that's gone. All the other things, other devices, that means all the devices available in this particular area right now. Once your phone is connected, you can see the notification on the top with a black light. That means the Bluetooth is currently connected. If the Bluetooth icon is showing gray light, it means it's on but not connected. To go into the Bluetooth screen, you can swipe left, go to phone, or click the phone icon over here. You can see the keypad. You can quickly dial a quick number, 111 if you wish. Under the call history, you can see all your recent call histories, if they're synchronized. If it's only showing numbers, it just means it's not synchronized. So you can go into the contacts, click the synchronize underneath. If it's synchronized, you can see all the contact details you saved in the book. You can search a name if you wish to, for example, Jerry, whatever. You can press the name and then it will call the name directly. So that's how to do the phone call. To access to the screen, you can use this icon, or you can use the button on your steering to go into the screen. So click the icon, that means it's in the screen, so just like that. To play any music, you just need to change the music source to music. There's two ways. One way, under the home screen, you just press the small arrow button to change the music source. Right now, it'll change back to the music over here. Alternatively, you can also click the music icon on the side. That means we are going to go into the music screen. Under the music screen, just select Bluetooth music. I'll play a random file on my phone. And then after that, we can push up the volume. And then make sure you push up the volume on your phone as well. Otherwise, the volume will not come out. So just like that. You can change to other phones, just click next, things like that. You can even quickly click EQ, things like that. Because it's a single phone, it doesn't allow me to change the music file or anything like that. Easy. When someone calls in, you can see the notification on the top. Just press the icon over here to answer the call, or single tap the phone icon to answer the call. And then all you need to do, just speak to the device basically. You can click this to go into the screen as well. And then you can hang up the phone call by tapping the button, or push and hold, or double tap on the phone call button on your phone to hang up this. You can go into other screens, you can change whatever you like. So yeah, quite cool to use this particular feature. Some additional information for Bluetooth. They basically only have two features. First is music playing. Second is to answer phone calls or make phone calls. If you want to use navigation, maps, or any other additional features, obviously it's recommended to simply use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. In case you want to check the CarPlay and Android Auto tutorials, I'll leave a link down in the description. It's on my channel. On your Bluetooth, if you're driving the Essence spec, you can use the voice command button to quickly call someone to activate the voice guidance. I've tried it, it doesn't work really well. I think still needs improvement, things like that. It's not the best. Again, if you want to use the voice command, try Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. They will be much better. You can store up to, I think, 15 devices under the Bluetooth history. So that means all these devices will be stored in the history. If it's connected to the car or if it's close to the vehicle, it will automatically connect straight away when you start the vehicle. But every single time, it's only going to talk to one device. So that means only the fastest device that's connected to the car right now will talk to the device. For you to change, you just need to go into the menu to quickly change different devices if you wish to. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the contents. If you do, don't forget to subscribe and like to support this channel. As always, I'll see you next video.